Hello, today I will tell you two things about iPhone 6. Nearly 1 month ago, on 28th of December 2014, I bought this iPhone 6 Gold color. I bought this phone at 10 o'clock from Media Markt at night. After coming back to house, I placed my SIM card and I started the phone. After starting the phone, I realized that when you press this corner, you are hearing the clicking sound. It's like the button. When you click this corner, you are hearing the clicking sound, and this disturbed me because I paid too much for this phone, and in Apple brand this issue shouldn't happen like this. This is new phone but with problem, and it was closed after I realized this problem. Next day I went Media Markt. In Media Markt, one of their employers said that they must change this with new one, and after learning this, I went directly to cashier and talked about my problem, and they said that if you place your SIM card into iPhone, they are not able to change it with new one, so we must send it to service, and I don't have for service because I wasn't here, so I couldn't send it to service. And after again next day I went to Warsaw to investigate this, and I visited 3 Apple store and the other Media Markts. All other Media Markts employers said that they must change it with new one. And then I went Apple store. They also said that if Media Markt have new one, they must change it with new one. And then I asked Apple store about this problem, and they said that they didn't see this problem before, and I showed them their iPhone 6, which they are exhibiting in their stores. Then we look other 2 iPhone 6, and 2 of them were having the same problem. When you press one of these corners, there was a clicking sound. So I want to warn you about 2 things in buying iPhone 6. The first problem is clicking sound. You should check your phone after paying its price, or if it's possible, firstly open your box and check your phone. If it's in good situation, you can buy your phone. And the other problem is, this is iPhone Gold 6, and here you can see the white lines. In white lines, these corners and this white color is started to turn blue or black. So I really taking care of my phone. You can see that in 1 month I even didn't take off my screen protectors, because there is still a possibility to change this. I will go Apple store again, and I will want to change it with this one, because there isn't any problem, just this clicking sound, and this white color started to turn blue. So if you want to buy Apple iPhone 6, firstly check your phone. If it's correctly and in good condition, you can buy it. The other choice is you can buy other color if you don't want gold, because in other colors, for example in space gray, these white colors are gray, and I think, I didn't see, but I think that the gray one is better than white, because the white started to turn blue or gray, whatever you say. But I think in gray color there isn't any problem like this. So thanks for watching.